Hi, wrinkle treatment cream. The best developed using the latest technological means and resources. The best moisturizing cream for dealing with sensitive skins, rapid wrinkles repair, covering the fine lines and burning sensations. Use over your eye area, face and neck twice a day to see its best skincare attributes. Christina Legend has bought and used this anti-aging cream through Amazon on July 14, 2018. Christina says,
"This is my first anti-aging corrective action. I will be 40 in November and a smoker from 19th. I have noticed a loss of elasticity, unevenness and adult acne. I bought this product and did a deep cleaning mask. The other picture is after 5 days of day and night application. Results I have noted: improved elasticity, clearer skin under eye darkness diminished. I feel comfortable going completely makeup free out into the community. I'm excited to try their other products as time goes on, but I think this is definitely worth $24.
Suzette bought it from Amazon on March 24, 2021, and she said after using it, "I actually love this wrinkle treatment cream. My skin is sensitive, I am a ginger, so I started off using this cream every other day, in the event of a reaction. I am up to using it every day now and have noticed no irritation or flaking. I don't use it around my eyes, because I bought the separate eye cream version for that. In only 10 days of daily use, I can actually tell a visible difference in my fine lines, suppleness, and firmness. I am almost 48, so every little thing, within reason, I can do to hold on to youthful skin is worth it to me. For the past few years, I have been using another Regenerist, but the results from it are nowhere close to what I've experienced from the new wrinkle treatment cream. I will definitely be purchasing this again. My dentist recently thought they had my birth year listed incorrectly on my records. He is younger than I am by about 10 years, and he said he thought I was younger than him. He accused me of sorcery because he said he couldn't even see any wrinkles under the bright exam light. I do wish they made a body treatment lotion."
So what about yourself? What are you waiting for? Stop wasting your valuable money to buy ordinary moisturizers and get your Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair and Anti-Aging Cream by placing an order now. The purchase links are given in the video description. You will definitely admire your decision once you use this skincare product to see the difference which this unique and personalized skincare product is going to offer you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Also, please press the subscribe button below this video on the right side to subscribe your own Digital Buzz YouTube channel. And, please press the bell-shaped notification icon at the top right of your YouTube page next to your profile icon. This will ensure that you will remain updated with the latest videos uploaded on this channel about everything that can add real-time value to your precious life. The purchase links are given in the video description. Take care.